Welcome to this in-depth look at the powerful capabilities of AWS API Gateway. As a fully managed service, API Gateway makes it easy for developers to create, publish, maintain, monitor and secure APIs at any scale. Whether you are building RESTful APIs, WebSocket APIs or a combination of both, API Gateway has the features you need to succeed. Let's start by exploring the two types of RESTful APIs supported by API Gateway: HTTP APIs and REST APIs. HTTP APIs are the best choice for building APIs that don't require advanced API management features. They are optimized for serverless workloads and HTTP backends, offering up to 71% cost savings and 60% latency reduction compared to REST APIs. For workloads that need API proxy functionality and management features like usage plans and API keys, API Gateway's REST APIs are the way to go. Both HTTP and REST APIs provide a straightforward way to expose your business logic and services through clean, intuitive APIs. In addition to RESTful APIs, API Gateway also supports WebSocket APIs, enabling you to build real-time, two-way communication applications like chat apps and streaming dashboards. This powerful feature allows you to leverage the full potential of WebSocket protocols for your most demanding use cases. One of the key advantages of API Gateway is its ability to route requests to private resources within your VPC. Using HTTP APIs, you can build APIs that seamlessly integrate with your private ALBs, NLBs, and IP-based services registered in AWS Cloud Map, such as ECS tasks. This allows you to securely expose internal services to external clients. API Gateway is designed to handle any level of traffic your APIs receive. You can set custom throttling rules to protect your backend systems from being overwhelmed. For REST APIs, you can also leverage caching to reduce the load on your backend and improve response times with customizable cache keys and time to live settings. Creating and deploying APIs on API Gateway is a streamlined process. You can quickly define your API resources and methods, then integrate with a wide range of backend services including AWS Lambda, step functions, Elastic Beanstalk, and even external HTTP endpoints. The API Gateway console provides a unified interface to manage your entire API lifecycle from definition to deployment and beyond. API Gateway's deep integration with Amazon CloudWatch gives you comprehensive visibility into the performance and health of your APIs. You can monitor key metrics like API calls, latency, and error rates, and set up custom alarms to stay on top of any issues. API Gateway also logs API execution errors to CloudWatch logs, simplifying the debugging process. To secure your APIs, API Gateway supports AWS Signature version 4 authentication, allowing you to leverage IAM and access policies. You can also use AWS Lambda functions to verify and authorize custom token-based authentication such as JWT or SAML, providing you with the flexibility to implement your preferred authentication and authorization mechanisms. For REST APIs, API Gateway offers a built-in API key management system, enabling you to distribute keys to third-party developers and set fine-grained access permissions. This helps you manage the ecosystem of developers accessing your APIs. Additionally, API Gateway can generate client SDKs for popular platforms, simplifying the integration process for your API consumers. In summary, AWS API Gateway is a comprehensive service that empowers developers to build, deploy, and manage APIs of all types from RESTful to WebSocket with built-in resiliency, security, and observability. Whether you are working on internal or external facing use cases, API Gateway provides the tools and features you need to succeed in the API-driven world. With its powerful capabilities and seamless integration with the broader AWS ecosystem, API Gateway is a must-have in your AWS toolkit. With that, I invite you to check out my next video where I walk you through how to deploy APIs, version APIs, authentication, settling throttling limits on your APIs, and how to monitor performance of your APIs using AWS API Gateway. See you there.